Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to buy from China using the 1688. So the very first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, okay? And then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for 1688. So just type out right here 1688 or 1688.com. Then after that, you'd be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on this one. Okay, that's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds after that. And when you're on the website already, as you can see, the texts are Chinese. So if you are from other country, it would be very difficult to understand this one. But if you are using a Brave web browser, you can actually change or translate the words. So click on this option at the top, and here you just have to click the English option, and it will automatically translate all of the text that you can see in this website. Okay, so here we have the Chinese or the simplified, so we are going to translate this one to English. So click on the English option. Okay, and as you can see, we can now read the text or the words. Now to create your account, just click on the login option at the top, and then click on the login immediately. So here, just have to type out your phone number and your email address. So if you need a translator or Google Translator for this text that you can see here, you can copy that one and use a Google Translator. And then of course, before you can verify your email, you have to answer this CAPTCHA. Okay, so you just have to select the items required. Then after that, you can now explore the website and start ordering. So we have a search bar at the top, and then let us try to search for a specific item, for example mirror. And then just wait for a couple of seconds, and you'd be able to see here now the different products that you can buy from China. Okay, so we're just going to switch the language to English. Now I just have to select the product that you want to buy. So for example, this one. So just click on the product. Okay, and then another tab will open, and you'll be able to see here now the full details of the product. So we have to translate this one from time to time. So just click on the same icon that you can see at the top, and then select English. Okay, now we can read the details of this product. So as buyers or consumers, we have to know what are the benefits of using their products. So we just have to read it right here. So we have here the commodity attributes and then the full details of the product. So if you want to buy this one, just have to click on the order immediately. Okay, but of course you have to finish setting up your account. Okay, then after that, you just have to provide all of your information, especially your address, so I'd be able to receive the product. Okay, so now let's go back here and try to select some product that we can see here. Okay, so we also have different categories that you can see at the right side and at the top. So you just have to select the category so that you'd be able to see the items that you want to see. Okay, so for example, this one. So let's translate this to English again. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and all of the words that you can see here will be translated. So I suggest you can use the Brave browser, so you'd be able to have this kind of features. I don't know about the other browser. And after that, you'd be able to see here now the full details of the product. Okay, and then if you would like to buy this one, you just have to click on the buy now button or the add to cart option. Okay, and here let's translate this once again. So we have here now the full details of the product, including the title, the description, and then we can see here the reviews as well. Then of course the different variant of the product that you can purchase. Okay, so we have the order immediately, the plus purchasing cart, and then the cross border publication. Okay, so for example, you also have a Shopify store and you would like to import this product to your store. You can also use the Importify so that you can import this product to your Shopify store. So if you have an Importify application and you subscribe to a plan, you can add this to your Shopify store. Okay, so click on the add option for the Importify or that icon, and then you'd be able to see here now the product details. So we have the description, the variants, the images, and the other details. Okay, so we have the product right here. We have the description, the variants, the video available, and then the images. So if you would like to import all of the images that you can see here, just have to select everything. And the next thing that you should do now is to add it to your Shopify store. So click on the add it to your store option. And then you'll be able to see here now that this product will be added to your Shopify store. Okay, so just the same process. If you would like to purchase this product, just click on the order immediately option or the plus purchasing cart. So basically, the 1688.com is a leading Chinese business-to-business e-commerce platforms operated by the Alibaba Group. It is widely used by domestic businesses in China to source products directly from manufacturers and wholesalers. The platforms offers a broad range of goods, from raw materials and industrial equipment to consumer products like clothing, electronics, and accessories at factory direct prices. What sets 1688.com apart is its affordability, which attracts bulk buyers, especially those involved in reselling or private labeling. So while 1688.com is primarily built for the Chinese market and is fully in Chinese, international buyers have found ways to use it effectively. So many work with Chinese resourcing agents or use browser translation tools to navigate the site and communicate with suppliers. The platform does not directly support international payment methods or logistics, so agents help bridge that gap by arranging purchases, negotiating on the buyer's behalf, and handling shipping. This workaround allows the global entrepreneurs to tap into the competitive pricing and wide product variety that 1688.com offers. So despite the language and logistic barriers, the 1688.com remains a powerful tool for e-commerce sellers and small businesses looking to cut sourcing costs. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.